Okay, the introduction of some of our signature projects will not be complete if we don't show you some of our signature projects when it comes to solar panels installation. This is how we do our roof racking. You can see how we mount our solar panels. These are some of the products we use. You can see our battery. We are having two battery banks here. The engineers are there. You can see this battery. These are some of the materials we use during our solar system installation. You might be interested joining our paid training. That is the masterclass. And we have to introduce you to some of the topics that we will cover. We have carefully selected some of the topics in the solar industry that is of importance. We'll give you the needed information, the secrets, as it concerns the solar industry. The first thing we will consider if you join our training is an introductory aspect of solar energy. We take a closer look at the historical perspective, the people that pioneered this invention, some of the terminologies that you need when you are talking about the solar industry, because there is no discipline that doesn't have some registers. So we let you understand most of the terminologies we use in the industry so that as we will be communicating, you follow us same. Then we will take a closer look at components of photovoltaic system. We just mentioned the components, what they are used for. Then we will narrow the training down to taking a closer look at each of the components and we discuss it in detail. Then we will take a closer look at photovoltaic system types. We will expose you to some of the solar system types that we have in the solar industry. Then we talk about power generation, the different ways you can generate power. It must not be solar energy. There are other alternative ways of generating power for your electrical loads. Then we'll take a closer look at energy management opportunities, how you can effectively manage power, because we know that solar system installation is costly, and you need to really understand how to manage power when you go solar. Then we nail it on solar system failures. Don't forget that we are still on 49 reasons why your solar system installation failed. And we are laying the foundation now. And if the foundation is strong, you get to understand what we are going to discuss. After that, we will take a closer look at power audits. We'll go in depth into power audits because this is the very first stage when it comes to solar energy installation. And if you miss it here, there is no way you will be able to design a solar system that will stand the test of time. So we'll dwell on power audit in detail. We'll dissect it, open it up for you to see so that you get to understand how to go about a professional power audit. After that, we'll take a closer look at electrical loads and how they affect the design of your solar system. We take a closer look at electrical load ratings, and we will take a closer look at the roof. We'll take a closer look at the roof. If I say closer look at, that is detailed explanation, all the nitty-gritty surrounding each of these concepts we have listed here. We will talk about opportunities in the solar industry. After our training, what are the likelihood that you are going to make money in this industry? There are millions of dollars in this industry. So it is only the smart that understand how to make money from this. And we will expose you to how you can become the big boss in the solar industry. And we will take a closer look at Solar Entrepreneurship 1 or Solar Entrepreneur 1, where we will expose you to the business aspects of this industry. Then, after that, we will talk about solar system design. We'll not just say solar system design, we'll teach you how to professionally design the solar inverter, everything surrounding the solar inverter, and how to professionally design the solar inverter. After this training, there is no size of solar system installation that you will not be able to design. If at the end of the day, we don't show you what we are promising you, you have every reason to ask of a refund of your money. We'll take a closer look at the solar battery. Solar battery is what gives most professionals issues, because if your solar battery fell, that ends the story. So we will take an in-depth discussion of solar battery, types of solar battery, and how to professionally size your solar battery. The best battery you should choose when you are going for any solar system installation. We will teach you how to design solar battery. We'll take a closer look at the solar panel. How do you design your solar panel is a function of the battery banks you will charge with your solar panel. So we'll take a closer look at how to design the solar panel. And we will also teach you solar charge controllers. We'll dwell on these 4 components. Then we teach you solar inverter features. Each of these solar components, there are different brands, there are makes, there are different ratings. How do you go about it? It is not the solar inverter features alone that we will take a closer look at. We take a closer look at the battery, the solar panel, the charge controller, and the features of each of these components. Then we'll give you tests, we'll give you assignments, and there will be an examination to examine your understanding of what you have learned so far. Then we will progress. After that, what next? I say after that, what next? Don't forget, we are talking about 49 reasons why you have solar system failures. And we are trying to introduce you to the foundation, what you are expected or what you should expect as we progress in this discussion.